Our company is called The Factory, and we have developed a program with the automotive industry for the wholesale side of the car industry. Right now, we have kind of combined together with all of our staffing over about 100 years experience, and we felt that we needed to come up with a solution to some of the fixes that were going on in the wholesale for cost effectiveness and also for being more efficient for the car industry. We had a vision of exactly what we wanted to do to fix something that was in the automotive industry that's been going on for about 70 years, the wholesale marketplace going to the brick and mortars. So we had the challenge of having a vision but not knowing how to actually put the vision into an application. So we had to then search out a company that can see our vision and be able to put it into an application for a solution.
The Factory New Dimension was developed after seeing a gap in the automotive industry. Technology has enhanced the retail side, but has left the wholesale side completely abandoned. Dealers are forced to use an archaic system of brick-and-mortar auction houses to both acquire and liquidate inventory. We envisioned a cloud-based solution dealing with all handheld devices and platforms to interact simultaneously on the cloud to deliver a solution for this industry. We are automotive experts. We are not computer experts or coding experts. When we reached out to Oracle, Oracle recommended Suneratech as a platinum partner of theirs. Our initial discussions with their leadership led us to be very confident that they could do the job. Suneratech took our vision and refined it, made it in a modern application, which involves several different logs, to over 250 screens. It's an exceedingly complicated application. In the end, it has wound up being a very positive and just an absolute completion of our vision that we saw in an application.
We have spent a lot of time, over a year, in beta testing and going through seeing large dealerships to smaller dealerships. Getting also not only from our opinion of what would be a fix, but to see if there was any kind of input that they can put together with our application.
We found Suneratech and their coders and managers to be extremely intelligent and creative. They've seen our vision and have taken the work to understand exactly what we were trying to develop, and they've been able to meet those needs, and by coding it into a concrete system of the application that truly is exactly what we intended. Our end users, which are dealers themselves, dealers, wholesalers, and vendors, have found this application to be incredibly innovative. Most have, when we've introduced it to them, have realized the niche that we're fixing and the gap we're filling, and are overjoyed with it. The usability, the foundation of our application, which is the appraisal portion of the application, is revolutionary. There's nothing in the industry like it, and it has been exceedingly well received.
They found it to be very time-saving. We're able to keep their management on property, which was actually helped them in terms of managing the rest of their crew. 2, you can shop and purchase vehicles anywhere, anytime. And 3, it's very, very cost-effective. I think it's an outstanding tape. We've received accolades from anybody and everybody that we've shown to, spoke with in terms of dealerships, large and small.
Your budget is something that you have to make sure that you can implement something and be cost effective in doing so. And Suneratech, hands down, was eager to work with me in our budget and make it happen.
I would highly recommend Suneratech. They have been outstanding with us, working side by side, helping us to develop this vision.
I would highly recommend Suneratech as a partner to produce your application. I've stated this time and time again throughout this interview, and I will many more times. I've found each individual associated with Suneratech to be exceedingly intelligent and have an incredible work ethic and exceedingly creative. And that's exactly what you need to build a very successful application.